Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a complete GFX pack with over 1,500 items, and it's totally free. Please note, the zip file is password protected, so make sure you watch carefully to get the password. The download link is not in the description directly. Instead, you'll find my Discord invite link in both the description and the pinned comment. Just join the server and grab the real download link inside the Hash Assets channel. Now let's take a closer look at what's inside this pack. You're going to get a huge variety of resources: abstracts, animals, arrows, backgrounds, characters, guns, graphs, PUBG characters, textures, gradients, overlays, light effects, smoke particles, and many more categories. Everything is high quality, mostly PNG with transparent backgrounds and ready to use in your edits, thumbnails, and designs. This pack is designed to save you hours of searching online. Instead of downloading one by one, here you get everything in one organized bundle. Whether you're editing videos, making thumbnails, or designing posters, you'll always find something useful here. If you ever need something that's not included, you can request it directly in the request channel on Discord. And remember, I'll keep posting updates there, so make sure you stay connected to never miss new assets. To download, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Click the Discord invite link from the description or pinned comment. Step 2. Join the server and open the Hash Assets channel. Step 3. Download the zip file from the pinned message. Step 4. Enter the password shown in this video when asked. That's all. Super easy. If this pack helps you, don't forget to support the channel. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment below which category you find the most useful, whether it's textures, gradients, characters, or overlays. And of course, share this video with your friends so they can benefit as well. So go ahead, join the Discord, download your free GFX pack, and start creating amazing edits today. That's it for this pack. Download link is on our Discord server, so make sure to join. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more resources.